guys? Today I'm going to be eating the most sour candy in the entire world. Mega Sour Raspberry Fizz Bombs. Thank you so much for 30 subscribers. I'm going to eat 2 of these because I have 32 subscribers. I'm going to see if I can keep it in my mouth for 2 minutes straight. Alright, let's do a sniff test. Oh my god. Alright, here we go. Guys, that was so sour, like I wasn't even exaggerating. It was just so sour. Y'all, I only should have 9 seconds. I should have more in my jalapeno pepper video. I know you guys are disappointed, but if I get 50 subscribers, then I'll smash 5 eggs on my head.